you going, guys? It is Kane here, also known as 20th Century Fox Fannies 2006, and welcome to my first particular VHS and DVD update for Wednesday, the 29th of May 2024. So, as you can see, I have one VHS tape and 6 DVDs to cover in today's update. Now, the reason why I said particular VHS and DVD update because I actually did do a bonus DVD update on one of my videos. I believe it was on my non-Fox Blu-ray collection, was it? Or was it? Can't remember. If you recall which was the Wiggles Fairy Tales DVD, if you recall what update that was on, let me know down in the comments. But anyways, without any further ado, I said it twice. I'm gonna cover the VHS the VHS. So, the VHS I have is Meet the Parents from 2000. Yep, 2000. It's rated M15+. It contains low-level coarse language. The catalog number is 9029283. Here's the front, spine, profile picture of who's Robert De Niro's character. I don't know, but I do know Ben Stiller's character's name is Greg Fokker. And the back. Here's the tape. Oh, apparently it says 2001. Huh. And for those of you VHS collectors out there in Australia, yes, this is an X-Rental VHS. I don't really like X-Rental VHSs that much because I prefer the normal smaller VHS covers. But whatever. But I do have this movie on DVD. And I've got to mention I have 2 other things I want to show you that I got today, so watch to the end. Anyways, now going to cover the DVDs. First up with Shirley Temple Collection with the movie Dimples from 2005. The DVD came out in 2005, but the movie originally came out in 1936. Wow. Year after the 20th Century Fox name was in existence. Yeah, it was 20th Century Pictures Incorporated before it was 20th Century Fox, which it was changed to 20th Century Fox in 1935. The catalog number is 8570 SDO. Here's the front, spine, profile picture of Shirley Temple, I think, in the back. And yeah, but here's the disc, and the disc is in good condition. Hey, you can see me. Hi. Bit of a face reveal. I'm gonna take the lock out because I don't like having the locks on my DVDs. Next up with 8 Mile from 2003. Yeah. It's rated M15+. It contains medium-level coarse language, adult themes, medium-level sex scenes, and medium-level violence. The catalog number is 8200676. Here's the front, spine, profile picture of some guy, and the back. And I believe Catchwell has this on DVD. And come on, what are you doing? The DVD doesn't want to come out. Come on, DVD, come out. Thank you. And yeah, pretty good condition. Oh. Next up with The Green Mile from 2000 and it's from 2000. But the movie originally came out in 1999. Oh, and 8 Mile originally came out in 1997. This movie is rated MA-15 and it contains adult themes and medium level violence. It should say adult themes and medium level violence. The catalog number is C2579. Here's the front, spine, no profile picture, and the back. And I believe Catch Will also has this, and I know LJ Network has this on Blu-ray. Here's the disc. Inside left shows some characters as well as the scene selection. And on the right, there's a bunch of DVD logos. Next up, Creature Comforts episodes 1 to 6 from 2004. It's rated PG, contains major themes. The catalog number is 1039939. Here's the front, spine, no profile picture, and the back. The episodes are The Circus, Pets at the Vets, Working Animals, The Garden, The Sea, and Feeding Time. Here's the disc. Inside shows some other DVDs available to buy. I have series 1 and 2 of Kath and Kim. For the others, I'm not sure if I might get them. I might maybe get this one day. Wolves of the Sea, narrated by David Attenborough. Because I do like to get BBC Earth or like animal documentary DVDs as well. Quite a nice touch to the collection. The next one is for all you AFL fans out there. Just gonna get my earphones out of the way. And the DVD is AFL Miracle Marks from 2004. The catalog numbers are AFVD and 2427. Yep, here's the front, spine, no profile picture, the back. Here's the disc. And the last DVD I got today is Paul Blart Mall Cop from 2010? Nope, 2009. It's rated PG and contains medium level violence and coarse language. The catalog number is D57307. Here's the front, spine, profile picture of Paul Blart maybe, and the back. And here's the disc. Okay, so that was the DVDs, the VHS and DVDs. But wait, there's still the other stuff I have to show you. So this is also a Wiggles update as well, because I found a Wiggles item at the shop where I got the DVDs. I should say better, I got this in an op shop. It's not a Wiggles toy or a Wiggles book. However, it's a pretty nice touch to the collection. I found this. This is a Wiggles photo frame. Just a bit of a... here's the back. I definitely know a Wiggles related photo I'm going to put on this, but I'm not going to tell you. I might save it as a surprise or an upcoming video. And then for the last thing I got today, I got this online, and it is a new Fidget toy for my collection. And it is this. It is a red bike chain Fidget. You can move the gears around it. You can make it like rectangular. You can make it to particular shapes. Like you can make it a triangle. Oh, hang on. There we go. Well, not really. Oh, hang on. There we go. So, yep, that was it. So, that was today's update. So, do you like my content? If you do, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for when a new video pops up. And once you've done that, you'll be notified for when new videos on my channel. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks guys, take care.